Welcome back on this 12th episode, I think, or, or 13th, I'm not sure. Anyway, so today I want to read you the latest query to make it more optimized, and I want to go on and let's set the 25-minute timer. Let's go. So, um, what did we have here? We wanted to basically have the position column as a value from 1 to 500. Okay, we had this. We wanted to group by like that and have the quality metric and the poor query percentage. So we'll select query name from the queries table. Um, mm, mm. Then after the query name, we want the quality. Let's just start with the quality. So the quality is, of course, it's a measure. So we're going to group by query name directly, and the quality measure is quality as the average of the ratio between query rating and its position. The ratio, okay, so we do as, and then we do ratio between rating, position. So we do rating divided by position, and we calculate the average because we're grouping by, and so this should be the quality metric. Of course, the average is called AVG. Right, and we need to round it by 2, like that. Alright, now we're missing the poor query percentage. So the poor query percentage is so this is where right, so this is when we use the average. So last time we calculated two columns, a column full of ones and a column with one when it was inferior to 3, because we want queries with rating less than 3, right? So to do so, we're going to do the average of its rating inferior to 3, average of rating inferior to 3, um, as poor query. All right, that works. Awesome. So now I just need to put like that, run. And of course, we need to multiply it by 100 because it is a percentage. And we're good. Submit. All right, let's move on. What do we have? Accepted. Fine. Monthly transactions. We go into the medium table. Let's go. We have one table. We have the transactions. We want the month. We want the country. We want the transaction count. find for each month and country the number of transactions of their total amount, the number of approved transactions in their total amount. So what we really want here is um, select date, country, and so far we're going to and the amount. So far we're going to use the amount from what? From transactions, of course. From transaction, and we're going to count amount directly and also sum amount directly, so that we have two things. We have first as transaction total amount, and we have transaction count. Transaction count. Cool. Like that. Run. Let's see how this goes. Hopefully well. Fine. Output 7,000 transactions of. I was missing the group by. Boom, 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 boom. Alright. Now it doesn't group it because we need to manage the date. So I believe that date format SQL. Let's see. Let's I wish we had some examples. Maybe here. Let's see, we want to get the months and year from SQL. So we have date add. No, this is not what I'm looking for. It's not what I'm looking for. 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 This is what I'm looking for. So here, instead of transdate, we're going to put transdate here, and we're going to name it month, because this is how they want us to name it. So that should be work. A little m because big M is for minutes, little m is for month. See, now we have that. So we need to group by, of course, by month. Right. So now we have it grouped by well, but hold on. Transaction count 2. We have 2 and 2. That makes sense. But this one, yeah, and we need to group by country, I think, in this example. This is for each month and country, of course. So now we're going to have the right amounts compared to the example tables. I feel like it is very useful to have approved data so that we know what we're doing. So the transaction count is okay. We need the approved count. Uh, 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 uh. So to get the approved count, we can do case, I think, case uh, state equal mm, approved, then one, else zero, end as approved count. And do we want to filter that? Write an SQL query to find for each month and country the number of transactions and their total amounts. So for each one, we want to know. So I guess I can do the sum like that. Could that work? That would be awesome. It did work. Oh my god. Um, and we need to do it. Return the table in any order. Did it approve this? Or what? 3000. Oh, approved that amount. I forget about this one. Okay, let's calculate this. Um, so to get the approved total amount, we need to do the. I'm not sure if I can do the approved account times times transact count, I think, and sum because the other one is zero. Oh, that would be awesome if that worked, but I'm not sure because I'm not sure I can use this one directly in this query, you know, the approved count, the sum case, blah blah blah. So I think I need to do that again. Approved account. Well, let's try. But no, because no, that won't work. Because this is the sum. I mean, I believe that this will break. Okay. Now if I do this instead, and this. What did I do? Right, we want the amount because the sum is applying. Yes. I might put parentheses here. Accepted. Okay, that got accepted somehow. Let's see if I submit that. What happens? Does that approve? Yeah. Alright, let's see the solutions. Let's see how we can improve this. This one is pretty liked. Select left trans date. Okay, so I think that left takes it more as as a string type, whereas date format is more like manipulating dates. But that works fine. 7. Okay, left 7. Cool. Month, country, count ID as trans count. Sum state approved as approved account. Sum amount blah blah blah. Sum state approved. Oh, they just state approved. Approved account. Oh, I complicated myself here. I just needed to do that with no, just like that. Sum account sum case when then amount. Oh yeah, the amount is important, I believe, because it is not necessarily one. Oh, I guess it is. Yeah, no, it is. In that case, how we did it. When state approved, then amount L0, and it's summing the amounts when it's approved. So we did it a bit differently with the 1 and zeros and multiplying it to the amount. 0 multiplying to amount when it is not approved, and 1 when it is approved, we get the amount corresponding. But I think this is a better, more shorter way to do it, and because it is shorter, it is better. From transaction group by blah blah blah. Okay, cool. Let's submit it again and let's move on. Let's see. Immediate food delivery. That sounds cool. Um, if the customer's preferred delivery date is the same, sorry, then order is called immediate. Otherwise, it is called scheduled. The first order of a customer is the order with the earliest order date that the customer made. It is guaranteed that a customer has precisely one first order. Write a solution to find the percentage of immediate orders. Rounded to two decimal. Understood. First order of a customer is the order with the earliest order. So we have this delivery table. Select from delivery, and we just have one table, so that's cool. We have delivery. We have the customer. So let's say this customer, two deliveries. He ordered it on the 11th of August and he got it on the 13th of August, and he have two deliveries. So the immediate percentage we want to calculate. First idea with delivery in one and it is scheduled. This one is immediate, this one is scheduled, this one is immediate, this one is scheduled, this one is scheduled, this one is immediate. So what we want to do is select. How do we want to do it? The first thing that comes to mind is to check if order date equal customer prev delivery date, then one. Compare dates SQL. Oh, I know. I got an idea. If diff date or date diff. Alright. If def date diff that minus that one. Let's see what does that do. I believe that it should show 0 if it is the same. Date diff call to native function. Incorrect call to native function. Uh, 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 um, select. Okay, I'm going to try something. Case when date diff equal 0, then 1, else 0, and as test. Do you believe that this could work? If it does work, I'm like, wow, on fire today, and it doesn't. Okay, cool. Um, oh, right. Can I do that just the when order date equal customer pref delivery date, then one. Let's see. Yeah, that works. Um, could I do like the average of the sum? Does that work? Because if I do the average of that, if I do the average of that, I think it's just going to. That doesn't make sense, right? Because we have one. How much? We have one, two, three, four, five, six. So we have one, two. So we have six immediate percentage. First of all, we need to times 100. I will round. Test run. Oh, we want the first orders. Preferred delivery date is the same as the order, then the order is called immediate, otherwise it is called scheduled. The first order of a customer is the order with the earliest order. Oh, we want the first order. So in that case, it is 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 1, 4. No, 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 4, 4, 7. Right, I understand now. Okay. So we need first to define how to get the first customer, which is a great exercise. So I believe that we can do it by using the first, select first. Is there a function first? So no, we can use wrong by, get first row grouped data SQL group by max. So it should be the mean, right? Minimum. Select mean order date from delivery group by delivery customer ID. And we want it in the ascending order. Ren. So that gives us like that. Nope. No, that doesn't work. Well, the first function, select first. First. That's what I thought. First. Could that be first? Right? Okay, we're out of time. Oh my. So I believe that we could use a rank over here. Let's see. I'm going to do a last try real fast. So select order date. We're also going to select the customer ID and that. Perfect. So we want from, this is the same as this. Let's go. Bam. And now what we want to do is to rank over, or is it rank over? Rank over? How was it? Rank. Row number. Is it row number? Maybe. Row number. Row number, then you do over. Over. Then partition order by order date as rank. Row number. Let's see. Does that work? Partition by. Oh, partition by that. Order by that. Run. Oh, let's see again. Over. What's wrong? From Delhi. Delivery ID, it's correct. Order date, it's correct. Should I only use order by maybe? Oh, I didn't specify it like that. Row number, I said as, but I think that doesn't change the problem though. That doesn't change the problem. We have from the table over row number. Maybe I wrote it wrong. Oh, I'm missing an underscore. Yes. Yeah, right. So we want to have the, now we want the order date, then we want that. So, now we have a rank, but what we really want is partition by um, delivery and customer ID. Delivery customer ID, order by blah blah blah. Awesome. And that what it does is, let's say this one should be 2, but it is row number, so we want rank. Or which one do we want in that case? Is it rank, Isabella, rank, partition, rank? I believe that we want rank, rank. Let's try. This is good, this is good. We're learning. Rank, of course. Order by Max, desk, home, from, order by. Why did I got this error? I'm not sure. Hmm. Do I want to group by? I believe that yes. That doesn't make sense because, oh, we want order by. Alright, let's see. Oh, I've attempted too many times. I believe that if we do the order by, then it will be able to have the right row number. Maybe we need to add the partition by. 1, 2. And now if we add the partition by delivery customer ID, that is how they do it. Partition by. Is there multiple partition by at some point? Partition by. Partition by. But if I can't. Oh, no, no. Does that do what I think it does, which is order 1 1? I believe the customer ID should be first. Of course. We need to do that for sure. Now what? Now we have the customer ID, cool. So now partition by, We want customer ID, of course. Customer ID. Ah, sorry for that. Let's go, let's go. I believe in this. See, so now we have one, two, one, two, one, two. No, this one is two and then one. Why is that? Right, because we don't want to sort here by that. We just want to sort by customer ID. And then we want to order by order date, but I think it will already do it. One, two, one, two, one, two, one. Correct. So I know we're taking more than usual. I mean, the recording is taking longer, but with temp table as that, select all from, sorry, temp table. Right. Let's see. Now we have something that interests us. So now what we want to do is select rn equal to 1 as, no, I want to do that better. I want to do um, that. Select round tag, round average as test. I'll directly put image that, and I will say where rn equal 1 ren. Let's see how it goes. Nice. Okay, we need to pass this here. We were missing the column and of course the comma. Always forget the commas, which is an important detail, and here we pay attention to details. And accepted. This is a relief. So awesome. Mm, let's see if I submit it, if there is an issue, but I will redo it the next time just to make sure that I got it right. And we'll also check the solutions. I'll see you on another one. Ciao, ciao.